In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon to button Webflow, step by step. Let's start inside your Webflow project. Open the designer and navigate to the page where your button lives. It helps to zoom in a little and switch to the correct breakpoint so you're styling in the context that matters. If you're working on a shared project or you want a safety net, consider duplicating your button class later so you can easily roll back styles if needed. Next, click to select the exact button you want to enhance. You can select it directly on the canvas or through the navigator to be sure you're targeting the right element. Check the selector field to confirm the class you're editing, especially if the button style is reused across your site. That way, any changes you make are intentional and consistent. Now open the Add panel. You can click the plus icon or press the A key to bring it up. From the list of elements, grab the image element and drag it right into your button. Drop it either before or after the button text, depending on where you want the icon to appear. This places the image inside the button so it moves and styles along with your text. When the image settings appear, choose your SVG icon. You can upload a new asset or select one you've already added to the Assets panel. SVG is ideal here because it's lightweight and scales cleanly at any size. If your design system uses a specific color for icons, consider exporting your SVG in that color so it matches right away. With the icon in place, it's time to customize. Adjust the size of the icon in the Style panel by setting a width or height that fits your button, often in the 16 to 24 pixel range for standard buttons. Control spacing by adding a small margin between the icon and the button text so they don't feel cramped. If you want perfect alignment, set the button to display as flex, align items to the center, and use a tiny gap or margin for consistent spacing. Decide whether the icon belongs on the left or right, and reorder if needed. For accessibility, add meaningful alt text if the icon conveys information. If it's purely decorative, leave the alt field empty. Preview your hover and pressed states to ensure the icon behaves with your existing interactions. And then check your breakpoints so the icon remains clear and proportionate on smaller screens. That's it. You've added an icon to your Webflow button and styled it for a crisp, polished look. Congratulations.